Hello, Red Fur Group. We are here today to go over your spelling list for week 6 of Tea at Home. So please read along with me as I read, and then we'll go over what we're working on here. Lived, living, rattled, rattling, studied, studying, traveled, traveling, changed, changing, appeared, appearing, raced, racing, hoped, hoping, wrapped, and wrapping. And then your 2 bonus words are vocabulary words from our book, The Phantom Tollbooth. The first one is quagmire. That is a word that means like an awkward or strange situation. And then the other one is peculiar. And we worked on this one with James and the Giant Peach. It's funny how it's a vocabulary word for both of them. And that is also like something that's very strange, something very peculiar. So those are your 2 bonus words. As you probably noticed, the skills you're working on this week are adding the suffixes ed and ing to the end of root words. So let me talk about that real quick. So for lived and living, the root word is live. So when you add ed, you don't need to have 2 e's there. So it depends how you think about it. The way that I think about it is dropping the e and adding ed. For you, it might work better in your brain to think about it as just adding the d. And then for living, since it ends with an e and you're adding ing, you just drop the e and add ing. Then the root word here is rattle. So again, it ends with an E, so you just add the D, or the way that I think about it, drop the E, add the ED. And then for rattling, you add the ing and drop the E. Then here, our root word is study. So for that one, when you add ed, you change the Y to an I. And then for studying, you don't want to double the I, so you keep the Y and add ing. Then here for travel and traveling, that's the root word travel. So you just add ed and add ing. You don't have to change that word at all when adding suffixes there. Then changed is the root word for changed and changing. And for that one, again, it ends with this E here. So you drop the E and add ed for changed, and then drop the E and add ing for changing. Then for appeared and appearing, your root word is appear. So there, once again, you do not have to do anything to the root word to add the suffixes. For raced and racing, the root word is race. So with that E again, dropping it, adding ed and adding ing. Same with hope, the root word. Hope is the root word, and then you have hoped and hoping. So you have to drop that E and then add ed to make it hoped, drop the E and add ing to make it hoping. And then wrapped and wrapping, the root word is wrap. So this one's interesting for 2 reasons. There's the silent W before the R in wrap. And then also when you're adding the suffixes, you have to double the P because it follows the 1-1-1 doubling rule. So that means that it starts or sounds like it starts with 1 consonant, has 1 vowel in the middle, and ends with 1 consonant again. So remember, when it follows the 1-1-1 doubling rule, you have to double that final consonant. So that is it for your spelling list this week. Good luck, have fun, and I'm sure you'll do great on Friday.